Hello, moneymakers. We get inspiration and motivation from many famous personalities like Donald Trump, Muhammad Ali, or Cristiano Ronaldo. We all have interest in knowing about their early life and how they got successful in their careers. It could be politicians, sportsmen, businessmen, or athletes. So what if we create a channel on these famous personalities and show their complete biography on it without even showing our face? People love watching biography videos, and there are some channels who are doing it quite successfully. Yes, take a look at this channel. By just uploading 18 videos on biographies, they have gained around 80,000 subscribers. Some of their popular videos have crossed more than 500,000 views. The other channel, named Biographers, have gained more than 300,000 subscribers by uploading 97 videos. This is a high RPM niche, and you don't even need to show your face in your videos. You can expect to make at least $10,000 a month once your channel gains some popularity. By the end of this video, you will have the complete knowledge that it requires to start a channel like this, and I will share all the AI tools that you can use to automate your work. So let's grab some sandwiches and watch this video till the end. First of all, you need to choose a famous personality on which you are going to create a video. You can choose anyone, such as famous sportsmen, politicians, social workers, movie stars, or any business tycoons. Choose whatever you like. You can also choose the topic from your competitors' channels as well. Open their channels and sort by the most popular videos, and see which videos are still getting a high amount of views. So on that basis, you will get the idea that people are very curious to know about that person on this niche. So for an example, let's create a video on Mark Zuckerberg biography. Alright, once you finalize the topic, you need a complete life history of that particular person. In my case, I will need complete information about Mark Zuckerberg. Now the question is from where we get all the information, how to know in detail about that person. So all you have to do is open the browser and search for the personality you choose. Here I will search for the Mark Zuckerberg biography. As you can see, there are many articles and videos on Mark Zuckerberg's life. Now one by one, open all the articles and videos in another tab. Read 2 or 3 articles, and if you like the information in it, copy the article links and save the links in the Google Docs. Same way, if you like any videos on Mark Zuckerberg biography, copy that video link and save it too. Alright, as we have all the information now, we need to create an engaging script from this information. And script plays the main role in this type of videos, so you need to make sure that your script is engaging and that forces your audience to watch your video till the end. I know everyone is not good at script writing, and it is very difficult to write script in your own words. So let's take the help of AI, open ChatGPT, and enter this prompt. I would like to create a YouTube video on the biography of Mark Zuckerberg. I want you to write the complete script for my video. The language should be easy to understand and should sound like a human. Below are the article links and YouTube video link for your reference. Now paste all the links which you saved in Google Docs. And as you can see, ChatGPT provides an amazing script without adding useless lines, such as, "Hey, everyone, welcome to my channel, etc." If you provide proper information and reference, you will get a perfect script for the video. Now, if you want to add some specific information in the script, ask ChatGPT to add as per your requirement. And as we can see, ChatGPT not only writes the perfect intro, but also adds a chapter in the script, and cover all the phases of Mark Zuckerberg's life. That's amazing. Still, you do not have to use the script as it is. Do some more research, add your own words, and create the script more interesting. Now the script is ready. Now we need a good voiceover. If you are comfortable recording your own voice, you can also use your voice. Otherwise, you can generate a voice with any AI voice generator. And if you are starting with a low budget, I will show an amazing tool which creates a human-like voice-over for free. Open your browser and search for the TT's OpenAI. Yes, this tool is created by OpenAI, and currently it is completely free to use. So you can definitely use their voice in your video instead of 11 Labs. Alright, open the tool and go to the voice library. Choose gender, age, and accent. Try different voices and choose one which suits best. It was a hard day's run, up the canyon, through sheep camp.
Bookmark, go back. This man had saved his life.
Never had Buck seen such dogs. It seemed as though their bones would burst through their skins.
I will go with Dylan's voice. This sounds very deep. and I think this voice is best for my video. Now add the voice into your favorite. Now go back and paste the script. Choose voice and hit on create speech.
Mark Zuckerberg, a name that has become synonymous with the digital age.
I think the voice is like bit fast, so let's decrease the speed and regenerate the voice.
Mark Zuckerberg, a name that has become synonymous with the digital age. But who is the man behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp?
That's perfect. Let's download this. So our script and voiceover work is completed. Now we need a video and images related to the script. And for this, you have many options. The first one is just Google it. And you will get many images, so you can take any image from here. And don't worry about any copyright, as we will not show any image for more than 4 to 5 seconds. Just try not to choose any image with a watermark in it. So this way, download all the images related to the script. Suppose in my script, if we are talking about Mark Zuckerberg childhood, so I will search for Mark Zuckerberg's childhood photo. Now the other option is you can generate an images with AI as well. Open ChatGPT and ask to write 5 image generation prompts for my intro part, and paste the first paragraph of your script. Now copy the prompt and open any image generator tool. I will go with an ideogram. Open ideogram and paste the prompt. Choose realistic from the available options. Choose 16:9 ratio and hit generate. You will get 4 images to choose from. Download the one which you like. This way, one by one, generate all the images as per your script. In the same way, you can also generate video with AI, or can take 4 to 5 seconds parts from any video clip from any social media platform. Alright, we have all the materials. Now it's time to edit the video. And for this, I will use Canva, because there are many text and design templates available in it, so it will be helpful to create a video for beginners. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Alright, open Canva and choose video icon from the dashboard. Now upload all the materials on Canva. First, add the voiceover track into the timeline. Then click on the right button. Choose volume and increase the volume up to 150 to 200. After that, go to the design and search for the documentary video template. And here you will find many templates. Choose one which suits your niche. You can use your creativity and make your video interesting. I will go for this one. Let's add Mark Zuckerberg photo in place of this. Now you can change text, colors, animation, anything which you want to change. Just play with them. Try different things and make your video look stunning. Use different types of templates from the design section and add it in your video. However, you can also use stock footage from the Elements section. Just search for the related keyword and add it in your video. You can also remove the background from any image from Canva itself. Moreover, you can also add sound effects such as typing, pop-up sound, which makes your video more engaging.
Mark Elliott Zuckerberg was born on May 14, 1980.
Try to add text with images in your video, so it will engage your audience and not look bored. At last, add background music and set the volume. Click on share and download it on your computer. Now to give a final touches, let's go to the CapCut. Open CapCut and import the video. Click on the right button and select the split option. After that, add transition between each image and video. You can also try some effects and filter as well. Moreover, you can also add subtitles in your video. But if you already created a text-based editing in some parts of the video, avoid the subtitles, it will not look good. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create a biography video with AI. And once you get the traction, you can also hire a freelancer to edit your video as well. This way, all work will be outsourced, and you can enjoy your earnings. Now let's have a look to our video which we created. Before we proceed further, I would like to tell you that I am launching a community of enthusiastic creators, where we all can learn and help each other to grow. Let me know in the comments if you are excited about it. Alright, here is the reference video.
Mark Zuckerberg, a name that has become synonymous with the digital age. But who is the man behind Facebook, one of the most influential social media platforms in history? Today, we delve into the life of this tech visionary, from his humble beginnings to his rise as the mastermind behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg was born on May 14, 1984, in White Plains, New York, into a well-educated family. His mother, Karen, was a psychiatrist, and his father, Edward, a dentist. Growing up in the small town of Dobbs Ferry, Mark was surrounded by intellectual stimulation from a young age. By middle school, his passion for computers was evident. He even created a messaging program called ZuckNet for his father's dental office. In 2002, Zuckerberg enrolled at Harvard University, where he quickly gained a reputation as a programming prodigy. It was here, in his dorm room, that the idea for Facebook was born.